my attention, all of my attention, yes. Type black lemon, chill, perked up in Brazil.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaja if you're new, where I'm here for a good time and not a what? Long time. And in today's video, I'm so excited that you guys clicked on this video because I have a special partnership with Vooglam. They sent your girl over 4 pairs of stylish prescription glasses. This company makes amazing, stylish glasses that can just go with any outfit. I'm excited because I can't wait to wear these with all of my clothes. Like, this company has done it for me. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys stay for the whole entire video, I have a 15% discount for you guys. Okay, so let's start with the first pair. These come in like these cute little orange pouches I love so much, and it says Vooglam on the pouch. So the first ones, let's see what they are. Ooh, these are so nice. I love the detail on this. If you guys can see, this is like a tortoise and blue, like ombre type of design. I love these so much. These are so cute, and they have like a, it's kind of like a cat eye shaped glasses, and you know, there's like tortoise on the side, which I really love. These are so cute. And these are called the Sienna glasses. So let's try these on. Ooh, I actually look really nice in these. These like give me like, it looks like I'm a secretary. Like, I just am very exquisite and know how to pay my bills on time. Like, just look how beautiful these are. These are super cute. Oh my god, I love these. Like, I can wear these like every day. I feel like they can match with almost any outfit. I love the shape to it. I was really scared of like how these different glasses would, you know, complement my face, but these are really great. And the best part of these glasses, that I'm wearing makeup and I'm wearing lashes, of course, and it's like these lashes are not hitting the glasses that I'm wearing. So that's definitely a plus. I really like these a lot. I love that you can put your own prescription in these glasses. So, you know, they may be a little bit extra just to put your prescription in, but you can't beat this. You can't beat getting something that you truly like going to the eye doctor or one of those stores, you know, and they just don't ever have like the best glasses. And even when you try to get like the designer, they're like an arm and a leg to buy. So like getting these stylish glasses and putting your prescription in them, or even if you don't want prescription, if you just want like just personality glasses, they have that option for you. So I love these. These are great. These are great for everyday wear. And yeah, you can pair them with any outfit. I'm sure you guys have an outfit for these. So definitely get these. These will be in the description box below.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What a miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to see.
Okay, so for the next ones, which I'm very excited about, look at these. These are so pretty. I just have something for like tortoise print, cheetah print, whatever print. As long as it looks like an animal, I'm obsessed with it. These are called the Danielle Glasses, and these are so like, I love the shape to them. These are just like so cute and simple at the same time. And this is the side of it, not too much going on. You know, I like to keep it simple sometimes, but with a little bit of style in it. Not too much, but not too little, just enough. And I feel like this is enough. So let's try these on. Oh. Ooh. I don't know, guys. I love these. These are like my favorite now. Like the first ones, like they were cute, but these give me life. Like I'm just so I gotta wear these tomorrow. Like when I go to work. These are so cute. Yeah, guys, these are the Danielle's. I feel like the shape and everything complements my face so well. I just love glasses that are like not too small. Like I hate glasses that are, I have a big face, so I like glasses that are very much sitting on my face and not taking over, or my face is taking over the glasses. Like these are perfect size. And the lens is nice and clear. They're not foggy. Everything to this is beautiful. Chef's kiss. This is my favorite so far.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark moon perfume. Go. I recognize your friend.
So let's see the next one. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I told you guys I was obsessed with like anything tortoise or cheetah print. These are so good. I feel like these can match with anything as well. Like any outfit that you have, like you can't go wrong with this. I feel like these are very cute for the fall as well. Like if you're just like wearing cute fall colors. Oh my gosh. I hate to be dramatic, but like I'm in love. I'm truly in love. Like these are so cute. The first, not the first, the second pair and these are like hands down my favorite. Hands down. Hands down. I'm speechless, guys. I'm truly speechless. If you haven't bought these glasses already, if you haven't clicked down in the description box below to get your own pair, like, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, this is living proof that these glasses are so fire to me. These are great. I love the frame. I love the square frames. These are so nice. I feel like I can see clearly. I feel like I'm not even wearing glasses, honestly, because there's just some glasses that the border is like just too close to my eyes and I feel like I can't see clearly. But these are great. These are so great. There's really nothing more to say. Like the color, the frame, everything, beautiful. Just so beautiful, guys. Vooglam, you're doing your thing. You're doing it.
These bitches love so oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over. Rarries and roll-ups, these hoes are cheap so get up with that cobra. That was some dope, they do it up with so you boys ain't making.
The last pair, I'm very upset because I could just have like a million of these, like 365 glasses to go with 365 days of the year with 365 outfits. I need 365 glasses. So Vooglam, if you would like to send me a year-long supply of glasses, you know my address. This is the last pair and this is called the Carebre. I might be saying it wrong, but These names are very different. But look at the frame. These are gold. I'm a gold girl. I'm a gold hardware girl. I love wearing gold. Gold necklaces, gold accessories, gold eyeshadows, gold whatever. I love gold. I feel like these can match with a lot of different things. So this is the side, has gold hardware, and these, like, all of the glasses that I've tried on is very comfortable. I don't feel like they're hurting my ears or they're like squeezing my face or they're too tight. Everything is pretty comfortable. So that's the plus of these glasses. So let's try these on. Let's see. Ooh, these are cute too. I really do like these. These are very cute. I feel like, what personality is this one giving? Do you guys have like what is it giving? I feel like it's giving like Run DMC type of vibes, like 90s, like a 90s era type of vibe. But these are very stylish. I feel like I would wear these with, like, I don't know. I would have to look in my closet for something like this. But these are super cute. Honestly, I loved all of them. But like I said, the second pair and the third pair were my literal faves. So these will be down in the description box below if you guys would love to purchase these. I think these are very complimentary to anybody. So you guys need to get your glasses right now and use my code. So guys, that's the end of my video for today. I hope you guys truly enjoyed watching this video as I did creating it. And as promised, I do have a 15% discount code that you guys can utilize when you go on the site. And if you like any of the glasses that I tried on today, they will be in the description box below. And guys, you guys need to get these. You need to get them. They're durable. They're amazing quality. And for all my blind girlies, like I said, they give you your prescription. And I know y'all need prescription and stylish glasses. I'm tired of the dull, boring glasses that are no good and overly expensive. So these are the way to go. If you're gonna go anywhere, you better go to Vooglam. That is the end of my video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Mwah.